It's time for Easter, it's time to reflect. Come learn about the one who had the real effect. He sacrificed his life so we all could live. Surrendered all he had and gave all he could give. Revolution began with the one on the cross. But he ain't what you see in an ordinary boss. He said, I am the way, I am the life. Give it your pain, surrender your strife. No one comes to the Father except through him. Put off the blinders so you can begin to see. He is the truth, he's the real solution. This is not a fad, it's the real revolution. The revolutionary road for all those to behold. The revolutionary road, whether young or old. I said the revolutionary road. This is the way. A revolutionary road. Come on, do not delay. But then sitting in the office up on here on Golden Springs, making up things, but I got to speak the truth. The truth is what we read in the scripture. But I find that it makes me richer because of the wisdom and the things that I can learn. I realize that God, he wants me to not burn, but live a life that's full. This is the end, so I got to say, the revolutionary road. For all those to behold, the revolutionary road, whether young or whether old, yeah, a revolutionary road. This is the way, a revolutionary road. Do not delay. I'm out.